project about 4-channel stepper motor driver for industrial robotic arms, and we will explain about the background, the mechanical design, the electrical design, and the conclusion. So this is the lineup of our team. The first is Ardiansa, the second is Raya Rame, and the third is Fahmi Ardianangkat, and the fourth is Mig Warjidastoglu. Okay, let's start from the background. This 4-channel stepper motor can control 4 motors independently, and it supports 3 ampere per channel and smooth microstepping and wind and protection for reliable performance. Okay, next will be explained by Fahmi.
Okay, so this is the system architecture. So the first from output PLC will be goes to opto to isolate the signal, and then output from the opto will be goes to IC. And after that, from output from IC will be goes to output signal from IC will be goes to motor channel 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you.
The next is flowchart, and the next is mechanical design.
Okay, I will explain about this flowchart. This flowchart shows driver design process from simulation and analysis to revision. Once verified, the design motor moves to PCB fabrication and BOM generation. Okay, next.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the next slide is mechanical design, will be explained by Ardi.
Okay, this is the mechanical design. This is the parameters. The outside part is offset by 30 millimeters, and the inside is exact of the PCB, and the top is exact for the outer part for this one, and for the inside part is offset by 10 instead of exact of PCB. Okay, next.
Okay, the next is electrical design. The first is for input. This one is for the 24 input protection, and this one is for generate the 5 logic from the 20 volts. Next. Again, this part is the PLC inputs. And this is the optocoupler for double isolation, and this is seismic trigger is for members all for channels simultaneously. Okay. Okay, the next is explained by Fahmi.
Okay, this is our block for PLC input isolation. So the function is this block is to receive signal reset from the PLC, and after that will be oscillate by opto, and it will be goes to IC to reset the IC. Next. And then this is the block PLC boost. The function of this block is to receive signal boost from the PLC and isolate by opto, and it will be goes to IC driver to boost the channel. Next. And this is the boost timer and safety interlock. For this block is the function of this block is to limit the boost, because if not, if boost not stop it, it will be merusak the IC and membebani the PSU.
Okay, the next slide will be explained by Nur.
Okay, about the VRF bus control. Adjust the reference voltage. Adjust the reference voltage, and then when boost is enabled, the motor current increases, providing higher torque and heavier load. Okay, this about Safer Driver Secure is the main part of the system. It receives step-enable signal from PLC or microcontroller and drives the stepper motor using micro stepping and built-in protection. Next. Okay, this external overcurrent protection. This circuit is monitors the motor current. When the current exceeds the limit, it will send a fault signal to protect the motor and the driver from damage. Okay, thank you.
Okay. The next slide will be explained by Ari.
Okay, for this block, functions to invert the output of the OCP to this IC, where this IC locks the signal, and for this IC sends reset signals when we manually press the reset button. Okay, next. For this block, for safely send fault signal to the PLC using an optocoupler for the galvanic isolation, and for the indicator of the faults using transistor. Next. This block is for the indicator. These LEDs are for normal status, and for this is the fault for the faults. Okay, next.
1 minute remaining. Okay, the next is circuit simulation. The first is buck converter. The simulation is verify the buck converter is successfully convert step down the 20 volt to 5 volt. Okay, next.
Okay, this VREF and bus simulation. It provides enable and dynamic reference at either 1.92 or 2.88 volt. Next.
This is OCP. This successfully converts the OCP sense and the OCP reference. For this 402 volt is for normal, and this is for volt. Okay, next. Okay, next is the PCB layout. This is the PCB layout. For the top is the input, and the bottom is for the output, and this is the boost, this is the reset, and this is the power. Okay.
Okay, the last is conclusion. In conclusion, our project is provides reliable for control motors, automatic, robotic. Okay, that's all for our team. Thank you. Any question?